Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly rename a WordPress page in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or just need a fast solution, by the end of this video, you'll be able to rename any page in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Log into WordPress first, open your browser and go to your WordPress website. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a fast and secure login, use the Continue with Google option. Select your linked Google account and you'll be signed in automatically. No password typing needed. Access the Pages section once you're in your WordPress dashboard. Look at the main menu on the left and click Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all your pages. Find the page you want to rename and click Quick Edit right next to its title. This opens a panel that lets you make changes instantly. Rename the page. In the Quick Edit panel, locate the title field. Delete the old title and type in your new one. Take a moment to double check the spelling, punctuation, and style to make sure it's perfect. Save your changes. Finally, click the Update button to save your changes. That's it. Your new page title is now live and visible to all your visitors immediately. And there you have it. And a super quick way to rename any WordPress page. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips.